Hi friends! Wishing you all a happy Deepavali. Today we are going to see some facts about Diwali. Let's get into it. Diwali is a early festival celebrated by millions of people around the world. Hindus, Sikhs, Jains and other religions come together for 5 days in an attempt to take part in the festival of light. The Festival of Light celebrates the Hindu New Year. It is a celebration of the victory of light over darkness and the triumph of good over evil. As per mythology, Diwali is sold based upon where they live. Northern India celebrates the story of King Rama's return to Ayodhya after he defeated Ravana by lighting rows of clay lamps. Southern India celebrates it as the day that Lord Krishna defeated the demon Nargasura. Western India celebrates it as the day marks that Lord Vishnu, the preserver, sent the demon king Bali to rule the netherworld. Many lights and oil lamps are lit on the streets and in houses. People visit their relatives and have feasts. Fireworks and festivities are an essential part of the occasion. Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth, is worshipped as the bringer of blessing for the new year. This festival can last up to 5 days. It takes place every year in late October or early November depending on the cycle of the moon. The festival starts 2 days before the new moon comes up. On day 1, people clean their homes and shop for gold or kitchen utensils to help bring good fortune. On the day 2, people decorate their homes with clay lamps and create design patterns called rangoli on the floor using colored powders or sand. The third day is the main eve of the Diwali festival. Families gather together for Lakshmi Puja, a prayer to Goddess Lakshmi, followed by mouth-watering feast and fireworks festivities. The day after the Diwali, devotees perform Govardhan Puja in honor of Lord Krishna. This is the first day of the new year. When friends and relatives visit with gifts and best wishes for the season. On this day, sisters invite their brothers for a lavish meal and perform a tilak ceremony. Sisters pray for their brothers' long and happy life while the brothers give gift to their sisters. Check out my previous videos in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye bye.